Inside the magic library, Nisa tiptoed to a small wooden table and found a special book waiting for her. Welcome to the Library Challenge Quiz. Let's open the quiz book together.
Question 1. Find the odd letter. Brilliant. It's the letter O. Question 2. Find the odd letter. There it is. Great job. It's the number 2. Question 3. Find the odd number. Wonderful. It's the number 3. Question 4. Find the odd number. You're so smart. It's the letter S. Question 5. Find the odd number. Excellent. It's the number 8. Question 6. Find the odd letter. Perfect. It's the letter Q. Question 7. Find the odd letter. Well done. It's 8. Question 8. Find the odd letter. Good thinking. It's 8. Question 9. Find the odd letter. Brilliant. It's P. Question 10. Find the odd letter. You found it. It's V. Question 11. Find the odd letter. Great job. It's V. Question 12. Find the odd number. Wonderful. It's 9. Question 13. Find the odd letter. Perfect. It's the letter D. Question 14. Find the odd number. Excellent. It's 9. Question 15. Find the fake letter. There it is. Well done. Question 16. Find the odd letter. Brilliant. It's N. Question 17. Find the odd letter. Great job. It's G. Question 18. Find the odd letter. There it is. You're so clever. Question 19. Find the odd number. Wonderful. It's S. Question 20. Find the odd letter. Perfect. It's B. Question 21. Find the odd number. Excellent. It's S. Question 22. Find the odd number. Good thinking. It's 66. Question 23. Find the odd letter. Brilliant. It's 8. Question 24. Find the odd number. You found it. It's 1. Question 25. Find the odd combination. There it is. Great job. Question 26. Find the odd letter. Wonderful. It's B. Question 27. Find the odd. There it is. Perfect. Question 28. Find the odd letter. Excellent. It's F. Question 29. Find the odd number. Brilliant. It's 1. Question 30. Find the odd letter. There it is. Well done.
Great job! You did the library challenge with Nisa. Ready for another challenge? Let's meet again in the magic library.